The Portrait Wizard has a great set of features for creating your own custom class portrait pages. Access the Portrait Wizard by clicking the button at the top of the Portraits page. Next, drag to select the class folder that you want to flow. You can flow more than one class at once. If you don't choose a class, you can use the Create Blank Portrait pages and then flow your students later. Once you've selected your class, click the Portrait Wizard button. On the right is a preview of the current page. Click the previous and next buttons to move through your section and decide where you want to begin placing your portraits. Click Apply to apply the portraits to the page. Next, you can adjust rows and columns using the features at the top left to get the portraits exactly the way you want. Margins allow you to add more space at the top and bottom. You can also add a teacher frame. Check the box if the teacher portrait is in the same folder. Note that you will specify teacher portraits on the Photos page on the Portraits tab. You can choose text settings including font, size, style, text color, and fill color for the text box, for the header, dot, and also for the name text. The Help and Info section will help you determine how many pages you need to flow the current folders based on your row and column settings. Use the flow settings to determine what you should do with partial rows and how to handle multiple folders. Click Apply to finalize your settings, and then click Next to apply them to each subsequent page until you've finished flowing all of your portraits. Click OK when you're finished, and your portraits will be flowed onto the pages. You can now use the standard editing tools to make changes to your portrait page designs. The Portrait Wizard is a great starting point for beautiful custom class portrait pages. Check the knowledge base and user guide for more information.